गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बोला था कि मैं पीआर पैकेजेस के बॉक्सेस को नहीं फेंक पाती। इट्स स्टिल द सेम, नथिंग इज चेंज्ड। आई एम स्टिल वेकिंग अप लेट एंड गेटिंग रेडी लेट and getting late for events. Anyway, oops daisy. We are going for an event today to Alibag, but for 5 hours. The problem is the event will get over at 5. But it'll take me like so long to reach home. Not like it matters. पता नहीं मैं क्यों बोले जा रही हूँ। एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई है। मैंने ब्रांड को आउटफिट ऑप्शंस भेजे थे and I only sent the options. Now I only don't like one of them. I don't want to wear it because it's like very short and very skimpy. Not skimpy actually. It's very cute. But you know, it's very short. Let's see what I can do about it. I wore this set. This skirt is really short and we're gonna go on the ferry and stuff and I'm not in the mood to flash. So I got a change of clothes and I'm wearing a really long ass skirt right now. I feel secure, you know. I was a little late तो हमने speedboat ले ली and before I reached the event only my हालत was like this and the भैया who was riding the speedboat said पानी डालो अपने मुंह पे। What?
मुंह पे पानी मार दो ना।
क्या बोला आपने? मुंह पे पानी मार दो। और कितना पानी मारोगे? Bro, the event has not started, like not even 1% and like I'm drenched.
Just showered.
Yes, just showered. You have also just showered. Besties will shower together, stay together. Goa vlog too. Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Hi vlog.
2 1 go. A B C D D F G. Go C D E F G H I.
This was the event in Alibag. It was so pretty. They also had this DIY station where you can DIY your tote bags. It was so cute. I love DIYs. It's my chance. Thank you.
Now we will just, now you have to smash it that much that the ink is going to come out, okay?
Then I started hitting these flowers thinking they're my ex-boyfriends and I made a joke out of it. One's name is Sala, one's name is Kutta, one's name is Kamal. Yeah. I thought of that joke right now only. I'm very proud of it. It's blue. Wow. Wow, great moment. Now we're gonna do the stamp.
Yes. Wow.
Hi.
This is the last question I'll be asking.
Hi, Janvi.
That's a great answer too.
Hi.
I'll make sure go to every station and then you can enjoy the station on your own pace.
Write it away in case
So
someone
first
watches.
we have
Diva. Woo. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god. I want to get that done.
You should do it.
Did you see?
Yeah, it's very pretty. I was telling her we can do it.
Yeah. I can record it also for my vlog. Sorry, forgot about y'all. It's so cute actually. Did it come? Can't you press that button? Press that button. It's a scam. अभी आप करो. Click.
नहीं मेरा मत दिखाओ वरना फिर।
अरे यार उनको नहीं पता चलेगा. मेरा vlog कोई नहीं देख रहा है. Try to press on it. Press. Oh yeah, now. Scam. Guys, what is that thing called? Vlog in a vlog. A vlog. If I'm showing my vlog in her vlog, yeah.
It's a.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, we are trying to remember.
Wait.
Yeah. Like you know, if I'm vlogging and I'm showing her vlog in my vlog, what is it called? No, it is. There's a word for it. There's like a trending word. Vlogception. Or something like that. Yeah. I think you're on the right page. Yeah. Pretty.
Oh, sorry, wait, let me go now. Take.
You know, Tanisha is giving like Elsa or Anna. How sweet! Oh yeah, she is.
That's really
And you are giving like
Kanchi, that's actually
Moana types.
Mohana.
I love Moana. Hey, Moana. It's looking very insane. It's giving life of fire. We're so tired. It's going to take 2 hours to reach home now. This looks pretty though. Oh, the sunset was nice. I forgot to show y'all. Okay, so the conclusion is I'm taking the train because it's going to take too long to go home and my phone's at 7%. Not this one. The other one.
all of our phones are at like 3, 7.
Yeah. So I don't want to be without my phone traveling for 3 hours. So I'm going to take the train. It's going to be scary. Can we get something to change? Do you think? I wanted to change my clothes before going in the train because it's scary. So we ran and ran to get the AC train, and we got the ticket, and by the time we reached the train, the doors shut. So now we're in a non-AC train. Can you show my outfit to my vlog? That's my train fit, not very train appropriate, but what is this? Guys, this is not a vibe. They're like telling like 4 other people कि इसको please उतार देना, because they're so worried I'm gonna go.
नहीं, she will get down. We shall update.
This is the next day, by the way. I had to go for an event, and I thought I just have to attend the event. An hour ago, I got to know that I have to host one of the segments, which is a problem because I'm not a fan of public speaking. So I've been stressing since then, and guess who I have because I'm stressing. She's watching some of her vlog. So the theme is glitz and glamour. The first option I have is it's this jumpsuit. I really like it. Then we have this option. Then we have this option, which is also a safe option. This is what I'm wearing. I think it's very appropriate for the event. That's our food. हम अभी salad खा के आए हैं और diet coke पी के आए हैं. That's my outfit, in case y'all were wondering. Guys, you can't see me. Oh my god, 1 second. Oof. I took 40 minutes to reach. The whole of 40 minutes I was calling my friends and I was like, guys, मैं क्या बोलूँ? तो मैंने actually कुछ नहीं सीखा इस 40 minutes में. I was just telling them that I'm gonna say this, and they were like, no, don't say this, say this. And then I would say, okay, I'll say it one more time, and then I would say it, and then they were like, no, but this is very this is very that. तो पूरा time लोगों ने बस मेरे thoughts को dismiss किया है, which is fine. Give me solutions. तो solution तो कुछ नहीं मिला मुझे. अब मैं जा रही हूँ, but oh, I'm here. Okay, I'm here. Okay, bye guys. So I reached the event and I was so nervous because some really cool people were talking before me, and I was nervous क्योंकि मैं तो normal बात करने में इतना fumble कर लेती हूँ, तो public speaking में क्या करूँगी? But actually I had so much fun there, and it was my chance to speak, and I had so much fun. I was making them play a game. It was like bingo, but like girl questions. This whole event was just for girls, no men allowed, and it was just the vibe was so good because no men allowed. उसके बाद I went to Soho for this one event, but it was just mainly to meet like people, meet my friends. They had live music, so it was anyway too fun. यहाँ पे I'm just telling you all that I met my friends, but I had some work, so I completed that work. Now I'm going upstairs to meet them, blah blah blah. I was just yapping. I was also drinking, so I was just yapping. Also ये vlog में मुझे realize हुआ है drinking or not, मैं बस बहुत yap करती हूँ, and it's so difficult to edit vlogs. I was gonna wake up at 9, which is very early for me to shoot, but kuch to some brand thing happened. The brands didn't give approvals on time, blah blah blah. So it's a little late, so I got to sleep a little extra, which is amazing. Abhi I was just getting ready, and then I will go shooting खेलूंगी. My eyes still look like swollen and sleepy, but I'm not that swollen and sleepy. Last night was a lot. I haven't slept also nicely in a while, so I was tired also, and then a little drunky tea also. Thankfully I took a shot. So like a shot is, it's called an after shot or something, and then you take it, it should be the last shot of your night, and it has like a lot of antioxidants and like haldi I saw yesterday and all of that. So I took a shot before I slept. So girly is fine. I reached the studio. I really love ghar ka khana, so every time I have a shoot and my mom's home or something, she'll give me food, and I was so excited to eat this. I didn't even know what my mom gave me to eat, but I just knew it would be banging, and masala chas with that. That's why I don't like going out and eating Indian food, because Indian food at my house is banger. At least vegetarian Indian food I don't go out and eat, because what's the point? The best food's at my house. Everyone else was also eating food, so I was like, I'll quickly eat before everyone comes and rushes me, because we're like 4 hours late to shoot. Hi guys, मुझे डांट पड़ रही थी अभी. I'm not continuing my vlog anywhere other than events, और आज मैं shoot वाला part shoot करना भूल गई. So I'm just updating y'all कि I am at this place where there's live music, and if you know me, I'm extremely sensitive about live music, and I really like it. Anyway, तो आज मैं नीचे नहीं उतरने वाली थी, but इधर live music है, so I was like, yeah, let's go. So now the 3 of us are here, Jai, me and Dalveen. Hi guys. सच कह रहा है ज़माना. It's Lollapalooza day 1, Shawn Mendes day. I'm excited. So I'm also going with Maybelline, so I need to get my outfit approved. The final outfit is this: cargo pants, shoes, and this one. Hi, update. I went here, let me show you, and I did my whole shoot and all. Like I just had to cover like a few things on the event. And I got done around 30 minutes ago. I called my friends and they were like, oh, we're like coming to the Maybelline booth. And abhi tak aaye nahi hai. It's been 30 minutes. My phone was at 10%, not this one, the other one. The actual phone, which is not supposed to be at 10%. And then वो 2% पे हो गया. And then I met a friend. And then he was like, oh, I have a portable charger. तो अब ले लिया मैंने. अब वापस 10% कर दिया है. I really like this H&M का booth. It's pretty cool. Guys, this is not fun. I lost my friends. You wanna see the sunset? Last time I was at Lola, I saw Love at this hour. I thoda sa more early and like sun setting while I was listening to Love very closely. I have to Yes, I was vlogging and I was like, guys, I've lost all my friends.
Have you been last time?
Chal, let's go. Guys, I met one friend. I realized he's roaming around with 3 people who are also lost. So everyone's just looking for their friends.
We lost.
But okay, no, I will walk with you. So everyone's just lost, but walking with someone. 4 lost friends. मुझे क्लास आने में थोड़ा बोर हो रहा था तो मैं दूसरे स्टेजेस पे आ गई. It looks so pretty. Wow. That's where Sean is gonna be. So freaking excited. Shawn Mendes was gonna start and I was in this clip I was talking about how I can see people migrate from one stage to another and it's my favorite part because they look like ants and you can just see them. Okay, Shawn Mendes starting, bye. Broski, he's so fucking hot, he's so fucking cute. VIP में बोर हो रहा था so we went ahead near the stage. He wore Indian jersey, he was looking so cute. You know the real maza of concerts is in the sweat, in the crowd, in the chaos of it. It might be so bitter. I love you either way. It might be so we're still hogging on food and pizza, which is really nice, and the sauce that is really nice, and then we're okay. See you. Shawn Mendes was so good. He's so good. We went to this place called QP. If you go at like 8 PM over there, you'll feel like ye main kahan aa gayi. But then wait until 12 AM because it turns into a banger freaking place. But today after the concert we went to that place, but it was so crowded that we had to leave. It's a banger place. If you're ever in Bombay, just take a chance on me. Also, my parents went out for dinner today. They went out on a date. So they had dal chawal and bengan ka bharta. And I've had 5 slices of pizza today, but girly is still not full. So I'm going to have some dal chawal and bengan ka bharta. You know, you would think that bengan ka bharta, okay. I literally love dinner. अब प्लान बन रहा है. पिकल बॉल खेल रहे हैं हम.
Midnight pickleball. Let's
What
go.
time is it?
9:30 को सो के 11 साढ़े 11.
Let's go.
I'm very good at that.
Sorry, I'm just vlogging. Good morning. My eyes are still a little swollen. I did not expect to sleep at 5:30 AM yesterday. The plan initially was, so Emmanuel and Yashika have moved into this new house and they haven't had like ghar ka khana in like 1.5 months. Day before yesterday, they met with an accident. They're all fine, they're good. The car is not, but they're good. Plan was we'll go chill with them and like basically give them the food that my mom made. First, we were just chilling, talking. Then two more people came and then we were playing cards and then we played like poker, teen patti, some 1952 love story, AK-47, bluff khela, and then that's when I was like, guys, we have to leave. We're going to another event today. You want to see the brand colors for today? One second. Okay, that's the brand color. This dress I got 1 साल पहले और मैंने कभी नहीं पहनी क्योंकि थोड़ी सी अजीब सी लूज है और आज पता नहीं कैसे पहन लूँगी क्योंकि वाइट है ये बोला था ना. I was like white तो बहुत हो गया. See when I'm wearing it. My final fit is not with the jacket and with the heels in my hand. I'm wearing Crocs because I'm driving. Class photograph के दिन पूरे 1 साल कॉलेज नहीं गया. Class photograph के दिन कॉलेज जा रहे हैं. कुछ शो ऑफ करने वाली है. I just wore my heels because I was not driving in heels. Just want to see how my hair is looking and if it needs anything. Yeah, I think it needs a little bit of serum. Only because I got it, I'm putting it. वैसे तो it doesn't need actually, to be honest. Okay. Don't you think like this part of my dress is like very like bad looking and
10, 9, 8.
At this event, they were making a Guinness Book of World Record of the most amount of people untying their hair together. So I participated even though they weren't counting me. Hello my friends, my shoot is done. The sunset's really pretty. Let me show you my front cam से दिखा रही हूँ मैं इतना मेहनत नहीं. I'm done with my event. The event was fine. Actually the event was okay, but I just wasn't feeling it in my outfit. I was not liking my outfit. एक तो it's a bodycon dress which I would never wear. But the only reason I wore it because I was like मैं कभी नहीं पहनने वाली and the brand wanted this color and then this is like a teal color, like a specific teal color they wanted. Like 30-40 people में से only 2 people का got approved. Guys, one whole day later I have reached.
Guess where, guys?
Guess where, guys? दलीन मैम को कॉफ़ी पीनी थी तो हम कॉफ़ी पीने आ गए हैं.